Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design Minnesota, and I'm just going to make a quick video to show you how to attach. Once you get your fence hung, once you get it all hung with your hog rings, you got to come back and you got to zip tie every post and get these very heavy-duty zip ties. These are not these things are strong as hell. Okay, they're not cheap, they don't break unless you really crank down on them with this. And I'll just show you. Maybe I can get you a little closer. All right, here, you ready? All right, right there. All right. Basically, set these down here. We come in about one every foot, every 12 to 14 inches going down the post. And all you do is you just zip tie it right to the post, tighten it up. And just so you know, these things are not going to be very taut. They're not going to be, I mean, you could probably spend all day getting these to be perfect, but the intention is to keep deer out. And you're not trying to stop a truck from going through this thing. So it's not going to be perfectly, because this stuff is PVC, so it's not going to be very sturdy like a metal fence would be, such as not chicken wire, but hardware cloth would be a little bit more rigid than this stuff. But now we're going to take our tool here, and what this does, it tightens it, and then you cut it. So I'll just show you a little. You set it on. Oh, I went on the wrong way. So tighten it up. Put it on there. And you're just tightening it up. And then you clip it. So you got to get on the right side with the teeth. Oh, there it is. Sometimes it just doesn't catch. There it goes. Now it catches, and then you just clip it, slide over, tighten, slide over, tighten. Okay, so there you go. Now it's all tightened, you're all clipped, so you see nothing left here, so you don't have all those tails. And so we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're 6 in. And then I have the rest of the way to go around to get back there. It'll probably take me about an hour to do it, and then I'm going to come back up, and all these little black pieces of zip tie. I brought a rake so I can rake it all up, but this is what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to come around and I'll make another video of that. I'm going to take stakes, and about every 4 feet I'm going to put a stake in the ground that holds that bottom part of the fence down to the ground to keep critters from burrowing underneath. But there you go. That's zip tying the fence to the post. Not very difficult, just time consuming, and then you got a mess to clean up, which is not that bad really. Anyway, I'll be back with another video shortly, and then I'll take a video of the whole I'll do a walk around of the entire fence, and then we're going to start prepping to put a fence. If you can see where all the dead grass is, we're trying to kill all this off, because I'm going to put another fence up here, and then we're going to put a food forest inside of it. with about 70, I think 70 different varieties of food. Anyway, back with another video in a little while. Grow food, not lawns. See ya.